So this is the product which I have ordered from Bunnycart. I have ordered some live plants amounting something around 399. So let's see what is there in the box. Hope the product turns out to be good. So this is Salvinia minima. These are quite okay, but some already started rotting. So let me keep it aside. Now let's see what are the other plants. This is Duckweed. As you can see, these are small plants. This is another one. This is also duckweed. Here's another one. Hydrocotyle Verticillata. This is Rotala blood red. Yeah, that's it. You've got instruction. Process to remove rock wool from aquarium plants. So that's it. So this is Hydrocotyle Verticillata. Rotala Rotundifolia blood red. So let's see how the plant is. The leaves had already fallen out. See? The plant is not in a healthy condition. So this is how we are growing the plants in the water tub. This will be shared in our next video. So guys, this is the end of our unboxing video. Please like, subscribe and keep watching our videos. Thank you.